Mavado son found guilty for murder. All of that and more coming up.
Wish me little son could have see and understand. No for them would love to see your father hang. Shoot me in the back like that did daddy gun. People chat and not know things how it go. Just know very soon that you're coming home.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Me have to tell you that same way. Even though me know the circumstances of this video. You see me? It hard. And yes, people, when me say in the intro, where you see me title the video as, it's all true. Mavado son found guilty for murder. So me I go read the article because this is breaking news right now. Read the article and then me tell you my opinion on everything I feel. Dante Brooks, the teenage son of Jamaican international entertainer Mavado, has been convicted for murder. Brooks, 18, was also found guilty of illegal possession of firearm and arson in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston today. His co-accused, Andre Hines, was also found guilty. The two were arrested and charged in connection with the home invasion killing of Lorenzo Thomas in the St. Andrew community of Cassava Peace on June 5, 2008. Prosecutors led evidence that Brooks and Hines were among 5 men who entered the house and shot Thomas before pushing his father into another room. Thomas' killers attempt to cut off his head but aborted that plan because the machete was too dull. Then they poured gasoline on the house and the body before setting them ablaze. Prosecutors rely on eyewitness testimony for Thomas' father, who indicate that he knew his son killers from the community. Brooks and Hines have been remanded into custody and are to be sentenced on March 10th.
Wish me little son could have see and understand. No for them would love to see your father hang. Shoot me in the back like that did daddy gun.
So people, it's an unfortunate situation. You see me? And every inch of this story not right. Every inch of this story it not right. So Dante Brooks, the son of Mavado, dancehall superstar, as I said a while ago. Right now, him have to go spend a lot of time behind bars because him get found for murder. We don't know how much him will get. If him will get 30, if him will get 40, if him will get 15, if him will get 10. But him get charged for murder. Vybz Kartel get charged for murder and Vybz Kartel has spent 35 to life right now. So it don't look good as in the time span. And again, Mavado's son was about 16 when them lock him up. And for enough people who don't remember the drama circulating Mavado's son lock up and what really happened, it was alleged that Mavado's son in the community, him and somebody catch up, and people, may I say alleged, because me never did it. So him and somebody in the community catch up, and him go for Mavado, who is his father. And him father must forward now in the community in a cassava piece. And either box the hombre or attempt to box him or rough up the brother or chuck him or something. But either way, him diss the youth in a one way where the youth no feel say him forget that kind of diss there. So the youth must did booded up and circle with something and goes, "Arr!" You see me? And Mavado car did get shoot up and bag of things did people me never did it. Them story here a story read up on the internet long time. If see I saw it go. Mavado never come out and say no, I saw it go. Neither him forward out and say yes, I saw it go. So after that now it is alleged that Dante go circle back the Umbre in the night. You see me? And put him to rest. And that's the charge him get charged for now. That's the murder when him get charged for now. And then within that same night of the murder taking place, Mavado take for himself and gone a foreign. And until now, Mavado haven't returned. Because according to everybody, or according to police, the last statement we get and everything, Mavado was wanted for question. They never charge Mavado nor nothing like that. Or them just say them want him for question. But you know how the thing go. Sometimes them say them want you for question. When you look a Jeep back here, you know, you see me? When you look you down as horizon can't come out. So on the books and what everybody know about in the media, Mavado don't come back to Jamaica since 2018 when this incident happened. You get what I say? So that are the rundown of everything what did happen for those of who forget. Now, why may I say it's a sticky situation? Because the youth are young. Despite the fact that it may be Mavado's son, it could have happened to anybody's son and them thing there. Him young. He's a little youth, and right now it would look like say him a dash him life. Because as what I said before, him can get 20, 30, 40 years. And then on a murder alone him get arson charge and him get illegal possession charge. So it don't look good for a young youth like that. I know say your father rich and have it, but you can't enjoy what your father have. I know say your father work hard for the way him there. And right now, according to people, sources and everybody, Mavado afraid to come back to Jamaica. Because them don't know if Mavado, when Mavado fall back to Jamaica, all of them case they rise up back against him and whatever. Because police just put him out. Put out the information say he wanted for question. So that I decide with Mavado and his son. And now me I go show you why it's sad on the next side. Because at the end of the day, somebody lose them son. Two father lose them son right now. But one I go end up go jail and one the 6 feet under. We have to remember that too. You see me? All of what me say allegedly, so me not really sure cause I wasn't there. Them are just argument with them on the net. But neither party forward out and deny nor approve the argument. But what we sure about is that Mavado son Dante Brooks get charged for murder. And right now he's awaiting his sentence. We just have to pray for the best outcome right now. Pray for the best outcome. You see me? I can't even imagine how Golly God must feel right now if you know say him son I got end up to prison and him practically stuck a foreign and can't forward down. I don't know people, I don't know. But when we want to say to the youths them, make this be an example to no. People badness no pay. Mavado rich. Rich. Vado rich. Have money. More than all of the little ghetto youth them right now we are do badness. And him could save him son. So badness don't pay. You can imagine for somebody where poorer than Mavado than a regular person for go to jail. How them are going to save themselves? So badness don't pay. At the end of the day, sometimes money can't even save you. But you just load some things, people. Make this be an example. You get what I say? At the end of the day, R.I.P. to Thomas, Lorenzo Thomas. You still lose your life no matter how much years Mavado's son are going to do for the crime. You still lose your life. And me have to say to Mavado son Dante, just go and hold the fort. You see me? Just go and hold the fort. Mavado, rough. Just go and pray me G. And go and hold it out. People, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. More know what you think about the whole Mavado saga and everything. Let me know on the thoughts in the comment section. And remember, badness no pay. Better you just put it down. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.